Yes, Radha, let's see. So, in yesterday's class, we learned uh, types of number, right? Hello, you're on mute. Hello.
Yes, sir. We learn types of numbers.
Yes. Now, today we will learn about the divisibility. Okay. Hmm. Do you know the what is dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Suppose we are dividing 72 by 3. Okay. So at first we are divided it by 2. 3 in 2 times 6, 1. And here it will be 2. 3 fours are 12. Okay. So remainder will be 0, right? And here this 72 will be dividend, right?
Yeah.
And this 3 will be divisor. This 24 will be Q10. And this 0, this one.
Question.
Yes. This will be remainder. Okay. Yes, remainder. Okay. So there is a formula based on divisor, dividend, quotient, and remainder. Okay. Do you know that formula now? Dividend equal to
Dividend is equal to
uh,
divisor into quotient plus remainder.
yes, quotient plus
Remainder.
remainder. Okay. This is the formula. Okay. You have to note down all this your thing in your copy. Okay. As a proper notes. Okay. Is it clear now? With this formula, whenever it will be given three things, we can find the other one. Okay. Is it clear? Now there are some divisibility rule. Okay. There are some divisibility rule. Uh, One by one, let's see.
Sir,
Mhm. Yes.
sir, just 1 second. My internet is very bad.
Okay, sure. Sure.
Oh, sir, now it's fine.
Yes, okay, just wait a minute. Yes, rather, let's see here. So, you should know the divisibility rule at least till 15, okay? It will be helpful when you will when you will use the trick. So, till which number you know the divisibility rule?
I think like 10.
10. Okay, no problem. We will learn today it till 15 at least, okay? So, as you know now, divisibility rule of 2. What is the divisibility rule of 2?
It should end with 24680.
Uh, Unit digit should be
Two,
even
four,
number.
eight, or 6.
Even
Yeah,
number, right? That is, we can
yeah.
say that 2 4 6 8. Okay, or 0 also, 0 also. Okay, or yeah, or we can say that ki the unit digit should be divisible by 2. If the unit digit is divisible by 2, then the whole number is also divisible by 2. Okay, do you want the example for it?
Like
No need na.
for example, yeah.
Yes. Okay, now divisibility rule of 3, what it will be? Sum of
The the digit
all
should be
digits, है
divisible
ना?
by 4.
Sum of all digits should be divisible by
3.
b, or we can say that should be multiple of 3, like this, right?
Yeah.
Divisible by 3. Okay, as an example, 72. So when you will add it, 7 plus 2, you will get 9. And as here 9 is the 9 is divisible by 3, right? Or we can say that 9 is the multiple of 3. It's mean the given number will be also divisible by 3. Okay? Is it clear? I think you can note down all these things by yourself, right? Now divisibility rule of 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4?
The end digit should be 0, 0.
No. Last two digits should be divisible by 4. Okay. Last two digit.
So, but if it's 0, 0 also, it's divisible by 4.
0 0, it will be also okay, because 0 is also divisible by 4 na. But in this way, if it will be any non-zero number, then what we will do? So that's why to saying it will be 0 0, we can say that ki last two digits should be divisible by 4. Okay, divisible by 4. Okay, is it clear now, or any doubt?
No, sir.
As an example, suppose there is a number 316. Okay, as here the 16 last two digit is 16 and it is divisible by 4, right? 4 4s are 16 in 4 times. It's mean the whole number is also divisible by 4. Okay, divisibility rule of 5. It's too easy. Last number should be, or last digit should be,
0 or 5.
yes, very good, 0 or
0 or 5.
5. Okay, now what is the divisibility rule of 6?
It should be
It should be
divisible by
divisible by
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Yes, the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. It's mean here we have to apply the divisibility rule of 2 and 3 both. Okay, or we can say that the number should be should follow the divisibility rule of both 2 and 3, then it will be the multiple of 6, or will be divisible by 6. Yes, as an example, 72. Here last digit is 2, which is even. It's mean the whole number is even. So automatically it will be divisible by 2. Okay. Now add it, 7 plus 2, 9. It's mean it is also divisible by 3. So here it will be divisible by 6 as well. Is it clear now? What is the divisibility rule of 7? Yes, tell me.
Uh, I forgot 7's rule.
Okay, no problem. See here. Here we have to double the last two digit. Okay. Double the last, oh sorry, double the last digit only. last digit and subtract it from the remaining. It from remaining, okay, from the uh, remaining digits, okay. If the resultant is divisible by 2, if the result is divisible by 2, sorry, divisible by 7, divisible by 7, then the given number will be also divisible by the given number will be also, yes, tell me, dear Shraddha, divisible by, you are on mute. Double the last digit and subtract it from remaining. What?
I didn't say anything.
Okay. So please tell me what it will be if the when we will double the last digit and subtract it from the remaining. So the result will be divisible by 7. Okay. Then we can say that the given number will be also divisible by. Yes, tell me. 7. Okay. Is it clear now? Do you want the example for it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let any number which is divisible by 7. Yes.
Um, 56.
56. So it's too easy, na? This is the two-digit number, so you can easily check it, right? 8 7 ja 56. Okay. Uh, Let it be 2 and 3 more. Okay. So here we have to double the last digit. Double the last digit. What it will be? This 3 will become
6.
6. Now we have to subtract it. 562 minus 6. What it will be?
Uh, 556. 556.
556. Is it divisible by 7?
Uh,
Here again you can apply the same trick. 666 2 times 12. Now subtract it from 55. 5 2, so here 3, 43. Is 43 divisible by 7?
no.
No, it's mean 556 will be also not divisible by 7. And ultimately we can also say that the given number 5623 will be also not divisible by 7. Is it clear? You can check it also. Is it clear now? You can note
Yes,
down
sir.
all these things by yourself now, or do you want to note down? Please tell me.
I can note down.
Okay, very good. Now let's see here. Mm, It was 6, no? 7. Divisibility rule of 8. So what is the divisibility rule of 8?
Fate of the
Tell
last
me by yourself, Raza. Tell me by yourself.
the last two digits should be divisible by 8.
No, no, no. This is for 4. For 4, it is last two digit is divisible by 4. Okay. In 8, or for 8, it is last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Okay. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Okay. Well, by 8. Okay. Is it clear? Do you want the example for it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see here. 9648. Okay. So here you have to check last three digits should be divisible by 8. So just divide it. 8648. 8. In how many times we will divide it?
8.
8 8 just 64. Right? And here it will be 8.
Yeah.
So in 1 times it will be 8. Yes, this last three digit is divisible by 8. It's mean the whole number is also divisible by 8. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now divisibility rule of 9. Okay? So what is the divisibility rule of 9? It's too simple.
This is same as 3.
Same as 3. Very good. Sum of all digits should be divisible by divisible by 9. Okay, is it clear? Now of 10, what is the divisibility rule of 10? It's too easy. Last digit should be,
Should end with 0.
yes,
0.
should be 0. Okay, now of 11, of 11, so what is the divisibility rule of 11?
Alternatively, you have to add and subtract.
Good, very good.
And
If
if
the
it's
difference
divisible by
of
0,
the, yeah, if the difference or the sum of the digit in the odd place and even place is 0 or the multiple of 11, then the whole number will be divisible by 11, right? So you can note down it by yourself now.
yeah,
Do you want to see the example for it?
yeah, for 11, yeah.
Okay. Let's see here. Suppose 2332. Okay. So if here 2 is in odd place, then 3 will be in even place. Again, then this is odd and this is even place. Now here we have to add the odd places. Okay. So 2 plus 3, what it will be? 5.
5,
And here now add the even place. 3 plus 2, what it will be? 5.
5.
Now subtract this 2 5. We will get 0. As it 0 is the multiple of 11, it's mean the given digit is also multiple of 11, so it will be divisible by 11. Is it clear
Yes, sir.
or any doubt? So I am repeating again. If the difference of the sum of the digit in odd place and in even place is 0 or multiple of 11, okay, so the given number will be divisible by 11. Is it clear now? Now let's see for 12. For 12. Okay. Divisibility rule of 12. What is it?
Oh, sir, from 12, I don't know.
Okay, no problem. The given number is divisible by. Okay. The given number should be divisible by 3 and 4. Okay. If the given number is divisible by 3 and 4, then we can say that it will be also divisible by 12. Okay. Do you want the example? Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now divisibility rule of 13, right? So do you know the divisibility rule of 13?
No.
Okay, no problem. It says that if the adding 4 times the last digit, okay, to the remaining number, then if the resultant number is divisible by 13, then the given number will be also divisible by 13. Okay, is it clear? If I'm repeating again, do you want to note down it? Then please tell me, I will give you.
Sir, can you just show an example?
Sure. Before that, can you do you want to note down the sentence?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. If adding 4 times, do you have noted for 12?
12 I can note down.
Okay, very good. So, if now write for 13. If adding 4 times the last, if adding 4 times the last digit,
Yeah.
if adding 4 times the last digit to the remaining number, to the remaining number, to the remaining number, then if the resultant number is divisible by 13, then if the resultant number is divisible by 13, then if the resultant number is divisible by 13,
Then the given
then
number is also
divisible by 13. Very good. Okay.
I wrote it.
So now let's see the example 273. Okay. Here we have to make the 4 times to the last digit, and after that we have to add in the remaining, right? So 21 plus 3 into 4, right? It will be 27 plus 3 fours are 12. Okay, as it will be 39, right?
Sir,
And 39
I don't
is,
understand.
see, I'm explaining it again. What here we have to do? We have to do the last digit 4 times, right? We have to make the last digit 4 times, and then we have to add it in the remaining one, right? Last digit is 3,
Yeah.
so it will be 3 into 4, and we have to add it in the remaining one, which is 27, right?
Ah.
So here it will be 27 plus 3 fours are 12, right? Now add it. 3 fours are 12, na?
39.
39.
Yeah.
Is it divisible by 13?
Yes.
It's mean the given number will be also divisible by 13. Okay? Is Is it clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Now let's see for divisibility rule of 14. Okay. Divisibility rule of 14. So if the number is divisible by 2 and 7, number should be number should be divisible by 2 and 7. Okay. Then we can say that the given number will be divisible by 14 also. Is it clear? You can apply the trick when you will break down it in prime factor 2 into 7, 2 7 ja 14. So in this way you can learn it or remember it. Okay, is it clear? Please confirm me. After this, after this divisibility rule of 15, again break it into prime factor 3 5s are 15. So number should be divisible by what? Tell me.
3 and 5.
3 and 5. Very good. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or any doubt? So, do you want to note down these things? You can note down.
Done, sir.
Okay? Hmm. So, any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay. Uh, just wait a minute, okay? See, now divisibility of an expression. Okay, you can give the heading divisibility of
Some
an.
disturbance from your end.
Hello?
Like whenever you're talking, it's like there's some sound coming.
What type of sound?
It's like I don't know how to
But it's disturbing.
Okay. Now? Hello? Hello, Shraddha.
when you're talking, some disturbance.
Okay, so is it okay now or not? Is it okay? Or now is it okay, Shraddha?
I can't hear you. Noise is still there.
Is there any disturbance?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm joining again, okay? Just wait a minute. Now everything is okay, now?
Yes,
So let's see here divisibility of an expression. Okay, if it will be in the form of x to the power n minus a to the power n, okay, then it will be divisible by is divisible by x minus a for all values of n, okay, for all n, okay. Is it clear? Either it will be an even number or a odd number, okay, for all n.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just wait a minute. Now the second point is if it will be x to the power n minus a to the power n, it will be divisible by x plus a for n equal to odd only, okay. If n will be odd, if n will be even, not odd. Mm, if n will be even. And one more point, x to the power n plus a to the power n, okay, it will be divisible by x plus a for all n equal to odd. Is it clear or any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you want to note down it?
I can note it. It's there in the book.
Okay, so please after the class please note down in your fair copy है ना, so that you will make a proper notes, okay. Now can you please try this question? This is the given one. Which of the following number is not divisible by 6? Not divisible by 6, okay. Not divisible by 6. The first one is 438,624, 763,820, C 638,736, and here it will be, what is this, 143. It's, the photo is not clear, can you please read it? 136 143, I think,
143862.
862. So which one will be not divisible by 6? Can you please tell me? Here you have to apply the divisibility rule of 6. What is the divisibility rule of 6?
Should be divisible by both 2 and 3.
Should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Very good. As here you can see all the numbers are even numbers, right? In the last digit are in all the last digit is even. So the given number will be, all given number are even, right? It's mean all number are divisible by 2. Now we have to check which number is divisible by 3 or not. So can you please check it and tell me? Just do it by yourself.
Uh, the
Do it one by
second,
one. Third one. Are you sure?
uh,
6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 8. 6
17,
plus
25,
17 plus 7, 20.
35.
It's 638,736, na?
736.
Hmm.
Oh, it looks like 8.
No, no, 736. हाँ 17, then 24, 26 and 6.
Second one then.
हाँ okay. Second one, let's check. Sun 13, 13, 3, 16, 16, 8, 24 and 2, 26, right? So as here 26 is not divisible by 6, right? So it will be divisible by, it will be also not divisible by 6, okay? So here B1 will be the correct option, okay? Now let's see the next question. If 7136 star 4 it is 6, sorry, 4 6 is divisible by 9, is divisible by 9, then the value of the star will be, what it will be, 0 9, both 0 and 9, none of these.
9.
So here you have to apply the divisibility rule of 9, right? Divisibility rule of 9 is,
0 and 9.
are you sure?
Yeah, both
हाँ,
these can be
just
divisible
add
by
it ना. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 6 15, 15 plus 4 19,
17.
19 plus 6,
17 plus 6 and
oh sorry, 17, 17 plus 4 21, and 21 plus
yeah.
6 27, okay? So as here 27 is the multiple of 9, right? It's mean here if we will put 0, then it will be again 27. So 0 can be, and 9 also, because when we will add the 9 we will get the next multiple of 9, right? So that's why here it will be both 0 and 9, so we will go with C option, okay? Both 0 and 9. Is it clear or any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let's see here. There is a one more question. A number when divided by 7. A number when divided by 7 leaves 9 as a remainder. No. Leaves 4 as remainder. Okay. Leaves 4 as remainder. This number is of the form. It's mean the number when divided by 7. Divided by 7 means divisor is the 7, right? 4 is the remainder, okay?
Yeah.
That number will be the form of. It's mean we have to find the form of dividend, right? Dividend is the divisor multiply quotient plus remainder, right? Divisor is 7 multiply quotient. Let it be q, k, anything, okay? Q plus 4 means 7 into q times plus 4. Now let's check the options. 7k minus 4, 4k minus 7, then 7k plus 4 and 4k plus 7. So which one will be? Here I have taken it as
7k
q
plus 4.
and here it is written as k. So yes, it will be the right answer. 7k plus 4, 7 times, then add the 4. Is it clear or any doubt? Hello,
Yes, sir.
is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, just wait a minute, let me check 2 3 or question for it, okay? Let's see here. If 5824 star is divisible by 11, okay, 5824 star is divisible by 11, then what will be the value of star? Just try it by yourself, okay. If 5824 star is divisible by 11, then what will be the value of star? Just try it and tell me. Yes,
Sir, 5,
will be
5.
5.
5. Mm, yes, good, very good, है ना? Um, so here we have to just apply the concept of divisibility rule of 11, right? It is adding the uh, odd and even places digit, right? So if 5 is in odd, then 8 will be even, then odd, even and odd. So here it will be 5 plus 2 plus star and minus 8 plus 4, it should be equal to 0, right? We can write it like this now. Please tell me. So here what it will be? 5 plus 2, 7 plus star, or you can take it as x, okay, minus 12 is equal to 0. So here it will be star equal to 12 minus 7, so that the value of star should be 5. Is it clear or any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
Huh. Okay, just wait a minute, let me check is there any more question or not of some new. See here, I have a question. When an integer k, okay, when an integer k is divided by 3, okay, it is divided by 3, the remainder is 1, then the remainder is 1, and k plus 1 is divided by, and k plus 1 is divided by 5, then remainder is 0, okay. Which of the following is a possible value of k? Which of the following is a possible value of k? 62, 63, 64 and 65. It's too easy. Just try it. Without pen and paper, I think you can solve it.
Wait,
Thank you.
Yes, but I think if you will apply some basic concepts without pen and paper, within 2 seconds, within 1 or 2 seconds, you can get the answer. You have to just see this part. K plus 1 is divisible by 5. Remainder will be 0. What will be the value of k? Put 1 by 1 from the option. Check 1 by 1 from the option.
64.
64. Very good. 64 plus 1, 65. It will be divisible by 5. And you have to check it by 3 also. Right? Because sometimes in exam it may give like this ki one that number is divisible by 5 but it is not divisible by 3. So in this case or in some case student just select it and move on, okay, in a hurry. So in this way it will become wrong. So you have to check it by 3 also. 6 plus 4, that is 10, and when you will divide it by 3, you will get 1 as a remainder. Okay, 3 3 is 9 and 1 is the remainder. Okay, or 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2. So sorry, 3 2 is 6 and 3 in 1 times 3. So 4 minus 3, it will be 1, 1 as a remainder. Okay, so it's means 64 is the correct answer. Is it clear now? So if your concept is clear, then I think you can solve any type of question. Okay, is it clear
Yes, sir.
or any doubt?
No, sir.
Today I keep till here. After this we will continue in the next class. Okay, so please make a fair notes in your fair copy for today's class, whatever we have learned today. Okay, and if you want to do the practice, then you can do. Okay, and if there will be any doubt, we will discuss in the next class. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So for today, that's all. Thank you. Take care.